Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I just want to do a share of the cards that I've been making all in one video. I've been having a lot of fun making cards, if you guys haven't noticed. I'm not really feeling up to crafting today, so this video is just going to be a share of, again, some of the cards that you guys have been seeing that I've been making. So these are featuring Scrap Diva Designs October release. I love the way this one came out. I'm really happy with all the cards. This is the one that we made. I'll link tutorials if you guys are interested. If there's a particular card that you like and you want to see the tutorial for, I will link it down below. Love the way this one came out. And then this one is featuring scrapbook.com. It's Pretty Shaker. I also have a process video on how I created this. Here's another Scrap Diva Designs card. Love this one. It's a bigger one using her clipboard die set. Then we have this one right here featuring the greenery. And I think I lined this one in the inside. I don't know if I did or if I didn't. Yeah. So cute. We have this one. I used some stuff from Simon Says Stamp. Love the bow. Wait, there's some more that I gotta show. Hey, let me grab it real quick. I'm like, wait a minute. Then this one is the Stamp Market. I used the door from the Stamp Market. The bows from the, all of these are from the Stamp Market. But that's how this one turned out. I don't think I finished embellishing this one on the video that I showed. Then we have this one. I'm obsessed. This one is one of my favorites. I love the contrast of the paper and the colored, I don't know, it's beautiful to me. I love the way this one came out. I just made this one yesterday, so if you missed the video, make sure you guys catch it. Featuring scrapbook.com. So I've been having a lot of fun, guys, using all my new things and creating cards. And then these are some other ones featuring scrapbook.com. I think I just posted a short today. This one's a pink background. And then I love this one. I'm so obsessed with this die set, you guys. It's from scrapbook.com, but it's by Concord and 9th. And I love how with this one I created these three, like this little trio. Love the way this came out. So that is it, guys. Just a really quick share. Let me know down below what is your favorite card from all of these. And I hope that I've been inspiring you guys to create some cards. I've been having a lot of fun, especially using my embossing folders, because I have purchased so many embossing folders over the years and I have not really played with them. So it's been really fun to like bust out things that I haven't used and just play with different, you know, things and play with new goodies. So again, leave me a comment down below, guys. I want to know, what is your favorite card out of all these cards that I've been making so far? Look at this. I can't believe I've been making all these cards, you guys. I really like this one. I don't know why I really love that one. But they're all very cute. So yeah, leave me a comment and I'll catch you in the next video.